Namaskaram. This is Dr. Hetal Jariwala from Surat, Gujarat, and my today's topic of discussion is the difference between gym exercises and yogic practice. Okay. In fact, being a medico, I was working in a hospital and I left my job for that, and I'm pursuing my degree in yoga at present, and I don't regret for leaving my hospital. In fact, I'm enjoying yoga. Okay, so the first difference that I find is that the yoga considers the human being as a whole. It works on the physical body, mentally as well as spiritually also. Whereas there is no such involvement of the mind and spirit in the gym exercises. You just have to do this and that and everywhere, work here and there, go there, dumbbells उठाओ, ये वो फलाना ढिकना सब कुछ करो. Whatever your mental status is, you have to do that. But mental status also matters for anybody's health. Okay. Secondly, 100% breath awareness is remarkable in yogic practice, whereas there is no such involvement of the breathing awareness in the gym exercises. करते जाओ फिजिकल बॉडी को हिलाते जाओ, कुछ भी करो, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता ब्रीदिंग हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है सही से. ओके, बट इन योगिक प्रैक्टिस ईच एंड एवरी ब्रेथ काउंट्स एंड इट इज़ very important. Thirdly, as I said that the yoga is a holistic science and it affects the human body as a whole. So each and every system while practicing yoga is affected. Okay, including nervous system, cardiovascular system, respiratory system, genitourinary system, GIT, gastrointestinal tract, skeletal-muscular system, endocrine system, etc., etc. Each and everything is being affected in yoga. Whereas if you see in the gym, there is just involvement of the skeletal-muscular system, cardiovascular system, and to some extent secretion of the adrenaline, which is the end result of the sympathetic nervous system stimulation. Okay, I don't think so it is useful. Okay, another difference is that by doing yogic practice, the individual is becoming soft and gentle. Okay, whereas in the gym they are becoming hard, like aggressive and all. Okay. Then another difference you will find that wear and tear of the muscles in the yogic practice is quite less. Okay, because we are practicing very slowly and gently with effect. Okay, whereas in the gym exercises wear and tear of the muscles is quite high. Day one of the practice and another day you won't even get up from the bed. Okay, yoga considers this human body as an instrument or the vehicle to attain the perfection. Okay, the perfection in the mind, body and soul, whereas in the gym exercises just the body is the only goal, ultimate goal. Okay, another difference is that by practicing yoga our parasympathetic nervous system is being stimulated, which calms down our body, makes us feel refreshed. Okay, and by doing gym exercises our sympathetic nervous system is activated, which makes us aggressive, angry. Okay, which is not needed. Okay, in yogic practice the individual is becoming energized and refreshed, whereas in gym exercises the individual is becoming drained off and lassitude and they feel like just lying down. Okay, then in yoga the individual is becoming mitahari. Mitahari is like he or she will eat only which is required. Okay, otherwise in gym exercises the individual is becoming ati ahari. Ati ahari means they want this and that, the greediness increases, everything they want to eat but they have to control. Okay, to get fit body. Okay, another difference is that in yogic practice the individual withdraws himself or herself from the materialistic world and enjoys just being in themselves only. Okay, whereas in the gym the individual is going towards the materialistic world and showing the people this and that I have this and that. Why you need to show that? Okay, this going towards the materialistic world is due to the aggressiveness that is developed after doing exercises. Okay, because they become greedy and they need all the things. They want to attract the people, they want to attract the materialistic world, they want this and that, everything, like they become, whereas this is not at all actually seen in yogic practice. Okay, yoga makes an individual satisfied, whereas here it is rendering an individual unsatisfied. However, the gym exercises are needed to some extent, like we need in Bakasan, Mayurasan, Kakasan, handstands and all. We need the arm strength and the core strength, but to some extent only. We need it in a properly coordinated manner. Okay, we can also achieve that through the Santulan Asana also. Lastly, to conclude the video, I would like to recommend you that please do practice yoga. Okay, what I have learned in my life and my medical practice is that a strong and a healthy mind can carry a weak physical body, but a weak mind cannot carry a strong muscular body. Okay, it is useless to have a strong muscular body without mental stability. Okay, all the best.